Welcome to Home Gardening 480. Today we've got a little video about onions. I've got short day variety onions that I'm planting. These are the white grano, Texas early grano, and the red Creole. I ordered these from Eden Brothers, and as you can see here, there's a QR code you can scan with your phone and review the planting guide from their website. But nevertheless, we're getting to planting. Just to recap here, I did more of a block planting where I did shorter rows in a block style formation to keep the varieties basically organized. Put the yellows, then the reds, then the whites. And these will be ready for harvest in the spring. Any onions we thin out, we're going to use as green onions. So I might not plant as many bunching onions this year. But if you like these kind of videos where you can kind of see what it's like to put these beds together and plant them out, like and subscribe. This is basically what we do, and we also go over our issues that we have and problem solving. So see you soon in our next video.